Hello everybody. In this particular video, we'll be learning about how to solve assumptions based questions in UPSC CSAT examinations. Many people will find it difficult to solve these assumption based questions. First of all, remember what do you mean by assumption? Assumption is nothing but the author is assuming that this can be right or this can be wrong. So it's just the thinking of the author. So remember 2 points here. Number one, always see for positive statements. Positive statements are always right regarding assumptions. Okay, 99.9%. Second statement, most important point. If you're having any confusion whether that statement is really right or wrong, just remember one thing. For example, in the second question, you see there are two statements, right? The answer can be one only, two only, both one and two, or neither one or two. Suppose if you feel like statement one is right, okay, remember one thing. Suppose if this statement is removed, is it affecting the passage or not? If it is affecting the passage, then you should not remove, and this is the right. Suppose though you remove the statement, it is not at all affecting the passage content, then this is definitely wrong. This is one flag that you need to remember every time when you're solving the assumption. I can tell you with explanation. Let us solve this one question. This is very important question. I can tell you. Look, try to complete in 1 minute, as I said. Now, let us start reading the passage. According to Food and Agricultural Organization, so there is FAO, one third of food produced for human consumption is lost or wasted globally. So, one third is lost or wasted globally. Food is lost or wasted throughout the supply chain, like from initial agricultural production to final household consumption. So food is getting wasted from agricultural production to household consumption. One line. The increasing wastage also results. So the wastage is also resulting in land degradation up to 45%. So how the land is getting degraded? Mainly due to deforestation, unsustainable practices, and excessive groundwater extraction. Okay. Now the energy spent over waste food results in about 3.5 billion tons of carbon dioxide. Definitely. So it is producing every year. Now, decay also leads to harmful emissions of other gases in the atmosphere. So these are all these both are negative one. Okay. Now, addressing the loss and wastage of food in all forms of is critical to complete the cycle of food sufficiency. And yes, it is speaking about the sustainability and food sufficiency. Okay. Now this is the paragraph that I need to remember. Now directly let us come to the assumptions. Now you see, the food distribution mechanism needs to be reimagined and made effective to reduce the loss and wastage of food. Absolutely. You see, the entire paragraph is saying that only. What the author is assuming, the distribution mechanism, whatever it is there, it has to be, reimagined and made effective because to reduce the wastage of food. That is what the paragraph is saying. So this is absolutely right. And remember, second point which I told you. Suppose if I feel like this is wrong, okay, this is wrong. If I feel like this is wrong, what I need to check when I'm removing this, is it affecting the passage? Yes, it is definitely affecting the passage because the entire statement is saying that food distribution mechanism need to be reimagined, and the absolute thing the entire passage is saying, right? So this cannot be removed, this has to be your answer. So first one is right. Now let us see second one. Ensuring the reduction of wastage and loss of food is a social and moral responsibility of all citizens. So people might get tricked here. You see, there is nowhere that was spoken in the paragraph about social and moral responsibility. Okay, but remember 2 points which I told you earlier. First point, what is it a positive statement? Yes, it is a positive statement because ensuring the reduction of wastage and loss of food is a social and moral responsibility of all citizens. It's a positive statement, no doubt about it. Second statement, second condition. Suppose if I remove this statement, is it affecting the passage? Yes, it is affecting the passage. You see, suppose if I am saying that this is absolutely wrong, this is not there in the paragraph, what I am telling indirectly, there is no social responsibility, there is no moral responsibility regarding citizens regarding wastage of food. No, that is absolutely wrong, right? So I need to think in such an aspect. If at all I'm removing this statement, does it affect the paragraph? It is affecting. And also you can see indirectly there is a hint given. The final household consumption, here also wastage is happening. So what do you mean by household consumption? Here humans only, right? Regarding humans only it is saying, regarding citizens only it is saying. So that's why there is a social moral responsibility of all citizens. This has to be right. That's why UPSC gave the answer as C, both 1 and 2. Many people will go for 1, but the answer is C. See, this is how you need to solve assumptions based questions. You try to solve remaining assumptions based questions in 2024 CSAT, and do let me know in the comment section if you have any doubts. We'll be posting many videos. Thank you.